Kia ora koutou katoa, nau mai hara mai ki te ao Hākinakina, your sports show here at your Tribal Pulse Te Kore Mako o Taranaki 94.8 FM and 98.4 FM. We have a very special guest with us today to talk about a massive event that's happening this weekend. We're very fortunate to have Uncle Rangi Kake here with us, and he's going to be talking to us about the up-and-coming tournament and about our host Ngāti Maru hosting this weekend. They're really excited about it, and we're keen to hear about the tournament and how Maru are hosting and how things are looking in preparation for the tournament. So without further ado, no mai hora mai Uncle Rangi.
Tēnā koe, tēnā koutou.
Kia ora, kia ora. Hey, good to have you here with Uncle. Yeah, awesomely excited about this weekend. I'm sure you guys are also with our Ngāti Maru whānau hosting this weekend. But before we get started, just ko ai koe no he koe.
Yeah, ko Rangi Kake ahau. No kohanga mo. Ngāti Maru me Ngāti Hine. Ngā iwi. Ai, e tupua ki koanga mo e mo'i o te wai. Ai, ka pai. Ka pai haere ki te tākaro tēnei wiki te riki. Tā ua.
Ka pai. So yes, we have our big tournament this weekend in Kohangamoa in Inglewood at TET Stadium, starting on Saturday the 9th and finishing on Sunday the 10th. So tell us a little bit about the preparations for Ngāti Maru. Obviously, I think if I think back, it was around about 2017, I think was the last time Ngāti Maru played in the tournament, and they actually won that tournament. Yeah. So obviously a wee while since then, but how's the preparation been for hosting the tournament?
Well, yeah, the boys, the nephews and cousins that are all keen and ready to go. As you said, we last won it was in 2017 in Manaia. Yeah, I think we may have played one more tournament. I'm not quite sure. But this is the first time I've been on board since 2017. We have quite a big contingency coming from Auckland. A lot of my nephews. And, yeah, throughout the Waikato, couple from over in Aussie and... some further down the line, and yeah, a lot of the local lads here as well. So it's as great as the tournament is, it's good to have everyone home. First and foremost, the whanaungatanga, but yeah, don't get me wrong, we play to win, just like every team should. We're pretty competitive bunch us when it comes to the old iwi league, but yeah, no, it's I'm looking forward to it. And being in my hometown of Inglewood, which we most probably don't get as many what would you say, events pertaining to Māori in Inglewood is yeah, compared to Waitara and New Plymouth and that. So it's good to see the league going to Inglewood. I think the last event we had there was Tūmai in 2019. So yeah, very excited, Caps. Very excited.
Oh, we're really excited as well. I know that we did have this kōrero last year about how awesome it would be to go to Maru country to have this tournament, and we're stoked that we're almost there. So I suppose, as you mentioned it, there's the rugby league element, but it's so much more than that. What does it mean to Ngāti Maru to have all their uri come back and represent their iwi and come together as one whānau representing their iwi and having the opportunity to host all the other iwi from around the maunga?
Well, first and foremost, having our people come back on a happy occasion is something that is good for me. It's just the wairua and having our our young ones home and connecting with them. We may not have seen them for a number of years. As for the hosting of the tournament, it's an honour to have our iwi or Taranaki amongst us, and we will thrive to manaki our fellow iwi manuhiri. Yeah, it'll be it's an honour to to host the event. And yeah, everyone's on board, so no, it's looking forward to it.
As I mentioned before, we're all excited about it. One thing we know about Ngāti Maru is when they host something, they put it on. And that was very, very prevalent at the last Taranaki tūmai Ngāti Maru hosted, which was an amazing event. Everyone felt so welcomed and well fed, I must say. So now looking forward to that. Now, when it comes to mahi in the background, there's some key people that have been doing some really awesome mahi in the background. Via Brenda and Nicole Pue, Taki. Just tell us a little bit more about the whānau that are helping bring things together in the background.
Yeah, well, as you know, like your front can't be strong without your back. So I mean, Brenda, Ma, Nicole, the girls out there. It's really great having them there and knowing they're there. There's a lot of people that help out, but it's just great having that reliability that you sort of just can go, oh, that's right, that's all right, So they're excited about it as well. I saw Tam on podcast the other night, and like she's like she was saying, she's happy to have everyone coming home, and we meet at the marae on, I think it's Friday, 5 o'clock. So it'll be great to talk that night and just catch up with whānau you haven't seen for a little while.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Now, I understand, so Ngāti Maru had hoped to have two teams in the tournament, a men's and a wahine, tāne and a wahine team. Unfortunately, the wahine just couldn't get enough numbers together, but I'm hearing good things about next year already with some of the young kōtiro that will be of age next year, coming into the tournament next year. But in terms of our men's team, the Ngāti Maru men's team, I don't know if you've seen the draw, but it's an all Tokomaru draw pool. They're all in the same pool, so that must be quite exciting.
Yeah, they're calling it the pool of death. But it's it's good to be with our northern iwis. So it'll be good to to play them, and looking forward to it. I see our first game off is mutunga, so we're half mutunga as well. So yeah, it'll be good to have a bit of a run against our more or less our own. So looking forward to it, Caps.
Awesome. Is there any players of notice that are coming back to represent Ngāti Maru that you think might turn heads at the tournament?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. I know my nephews Edu and all of them. He comes with quite a number of boys. I haven't seen them in a long time. They never played in the 2017, and I haven't actually seen them play, but they have been training for the last month or two. So they assure me that they're ready to go. No, that should be all right. I'll just see once the games start.
That's the one, holding the cards close. That's the one. We'll see on the day. We'll see on the day. But looking forward to that first game against Ngāti Mutunga. There's some ding dong battles throughout the weekend. But day one definitely looks very exciting. So looking forward, as you mentioned, the pool of death. All in that same pool there, so it should be good fun. So whānau, this weekend is the Bennett Enterprises Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League tournament, hosted by Ngāti Maru and Kohanga Moa Inglewood on the 9th and 10th of November. Games will kick off at 10 a.m. with games finishing at 5 p.m. each day. Pō'iri will be at 8:30 in the morning. So make sure you come along, support what is an awesome event, an awesome kaupapa, all about whakawānaungatanga, all of our whānau coming together. And I'll leave you with our last words, Uncle Rangi. Any last words you'd like to share with our whānau out there tuning in?
Come one and all. I'm pretty sure the weather's going to be good, I hope. I hear there's stalls and that there, and good day out, like Caps was saying the other day. It's free. You know, that's always a bonus. So, I mean, come along to all of our other fellow teams, and good luck on the weekend. Caps here thought, how would we go? Well, I'm not quite sure at the moment, but we'll see how we go when we start playing. But good luck to everyone. And come along and support our Māori League here in Taranaki.
Kia ora koutou, there we have it, whānau. Well, thank you, Uncle Rangi. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all the mahi Ngāti Maru whānau are doing to help host this prestigious tournament. We're really looking forward to getting down there to Kohanga Moa to celebrate, obviously, the great game of rugby league, but more so celebrate ourselves as Taranaki Māori, coming together in unison to celebrate who we are, our narratives, our history. They are coming together as a people, as iwi. So all the very best this weekend, Uncle Rangi, and look forward to seeing you down there on Saturday morning.
I'll be there.
Ka pai. Ka kite.
Ka kite.